In this video, we will showcase Resource Data Automation, or RDA for short. This feature automates data handling with ROS2 to easily set up condition-based monitoring in a no-code fashion. RDA enables Heex to extract all ROS topics from a ROS bag, whether they're standard or custom. All the signals get automatically declared in Heex. We can monitor them. Triggers can be set up to generate events and recordings on the desired signals. Here we have the Heex workspace on the left and the command line interface on the right. We can see we've already got a robot declared, but we're currently not capturing any data from it since none of the signals have been declared yet in Heex. Using the CLI, we'll open a ROS bag from this robot. We can see we've got multiple topics which we want to import and declare as signals in Heex. All of the messages contained in the topics will be automatically imported as data sources thanks to RDA. Using just one line of command, Heex will create a data source from the ROS bag. And this is actually where the magic happens. As we can see, RDA crawls through the files and identifies all the ROS topics in it to import them into Heex. Notice that both standard and custom ROS topics are included. That's not a problem for Heex RDA. Now that's done, if we reload the page, we'll see the Heex data source has been correctly created and all the signals included in the bag have been declared in Heex. And that's it. We're done with the configuration of our robot signals from an existing ROS bag. RDA monitoring and recording capabilities are now part of our robot's built-in agent. All that's left to do now is to create data capture scenarios, which we call triggers in Heex. Let's go ahead and create a trigger now. We select the signals on which we want to put conditions, define the conditions we want, and select the signals we wish to record and the duration of the recording. For non-ROS2 users, without RDA, a developer would need to code each custom monitor and recorder and deploy them on the robot, which can be very time-consuming. Here, it's all fully automatic. The implementation tab displays the RDA monitor and RDA recorder as the status. This tells us that Heex is functioning as intended, generating events from the trigger we just created. Now if we need to adjust the trigger conditions, it's easy. We can do it directly from the Heex interface. The updates will be automatically applied to the target robot. We can even go a step further and consider managing the data capture of an entire fleet of robots from a centralized platform without any custom coding required. This is a huge time saver for roboticists. Just import a ROS bag to Heex, declare your data capture scenarios, and get the data you need coming from live robots or recorded bags.